Guys, they're letting us drive back early. We're pulling up. You can't really see much of it, but it's fucking cool.
Yeah, look at all that shit.
Dude.
Look at that.
You can smell it. You can smell the place.
Oh, man.
You can fucking smell it, dude.
I'm assuming that this is the place where we're going to.
Dude.
I'm assuming. Maybe we're the first ones who are here. That's the museum in the shop. I'm gonna keep on going. Just.
This is fucking cool. Zach Megan's been here.
Yeah.
I know you can't see much of it, guys. Sorry, I'm just trying to share as much as I can. We're really, really excited to be here. So this is a museum right here?
I think so.
Oh, really?
I'm just kind of like driving around to see what. Yeah, because there's some cars right there. Yeah, I guess maybe. Yeah, the visitor center. We park in the visitor center. We may be the first ones who are here. I'm gonna park right over here.
Dude, this shit is cool, dude.
Okay, this is the perfect opportunity.
Now, I'm super fucking hyped. The fucking train going by. We fucking made it. Yes! Now, y'all, he told me not to film while he talking, so if my video starts looking weird, that's why I'm trying to be respectful. I'll have to edit it all out later. But we're fucking here. It is so fucking cool being here.